Apple's secret is out, and it's one fans have been waiting for. The iPhone 17 launch is no longer just a rumor, it's basically confirmed. The big question isn't if it's happening, but when, and the answer? All signs point to September 9th, 2025. This isn't just a random guess either. The way this date leaked has turned the hype into a full-blown frenzy, hinting at an upcoming event. It disappeared just as quickly as it showed up. Apple may have tried to cover its tracks, but it was too late. The clue was already out there. But the real shock wasn't just the date, it was the design of the invite itself. Apple never picks event designs by accident. Fans believe it's a hidden nod to the brand new iPhone 17 Air, a slimmer, sleeker device replacing the Plus model. Apple dropping hints in plain sight, classic move. So what's actually coming on September 9th? According to leaks, we're looking at for new iPhones, the regular iPhone 17, the slim iPhone 17 Air, and the redesigned iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. The Air is all about portability, but the Pro lineup, that's where Apple is expected to unleash its boldest design change in years, and the buzz says it's a stunner. Leaked prototypes and even casemaker previews suggest sharper edges, a refreshed camera module, and a completely new feel in the hand. For years, people complained the iPhone design felt too safe. This might finally be Apple's big shake-up. But September events are never just about iPhones, right? Apple loves dropping a whole family of new toys at once. Enter the wearables. The Apple Watch Series 11 is widely expected to debut alongside the phones. But the bigger story is the Apple Watch Ultra 3, 2 years since the last Ultra, and fans are hungry for a true upgrade. Rumors suggest faster charging, better outdoor connectivity, and even a larger screen. And what are fans most hyped about? Polls say nearly 60% of users are eyeing the redesigned Pro models. Another 18% are waiting for the super thin iPhone 17 Air. But here's the plot twist: the most exciting story isn't even about the products. It's the fact Apple accidentally spoiled its own surprise. Now let's talk features. The iPhone 17 Pro is tipped to come in bold new shades, including a fiery orange finish that instantly stands out. Every model will also ship with iOS 26, featuring Apple's new liquid glass interface. Refined look that makes the iPhone feel brand new even before you touch the hardware. But it's not all sunshine. Prices are rumored to climb by about $50 across the lineup. Not devastating, but definitely noticeable. To offset the jump, Apple is ditching the 128GB base storage on Pro models. That means 256GB will now be the starting point. So yes, you'll pay a bit more, but at least you're getting more space without the extra upgrade fee. And don't forget, Apple isn't entering the spotlight alone. The iPhone 17 will have to battle Samsung's Galaxy S5, already praised for its futuristic design, and Google's Pixel 10, which is doubling down on AI-powered features. 2025 could be one of the fiercest years in smartphone history, which makes Apple's September showcase even more important. Here's the irony. Apple is known as the fortress of secrecy in tech. They chase leakers, file lawsuits, and keep their launches locked down tighter than any rival. And yet, this time, the company itself dropped the ball. Apple leaking applets, the kind of twist you'd expect from a parody, not reality. But it happened, and fans are loving every second. So with September 9th circled on calendars everywhere, the countdown is officially on, and maybe a few surprise announcements. Whether you're waiting for the Slim Air, the Bold Pro models, or the rugged Ultra 3, this event looks massive. But Apple never plays all its cards upfront. Could there be one last twist? That's the beauty of it. Even with the leak, the excitement feels bigger than ever. This year's keynote isn't just polished marketing, it feels unpredictable, raw, and electric. One tiny slip-up lit a fire that no teaser could match. And when Tim Cook walks on stage this September, the entire world will be watching, waiting, and hanging on every word.